All right, our phonics lesson 39. Here we go. Say front. Drop nt. What's left? Fr. Say grunt. Drop nt. What's left? Gr. Say spent. Drop nt. What's left? Spe. Say print. Drop nt. What's left? Pr. Say slant. Drop nt. What's left? Sla. Say squint. Drop nt. What's left? Squit. Excellent job. We have no new patterns today, so we are going to go just review what we have. Here we go. Ready? Ah, s, ah, bull, f, ah, I, ah, I, e, gull, n, pull, s, ow, oi, oi, s. Excellent job. Let us go and read some words. Ready? Look, sound, next, read next. Look, sound, choice, read choice. Look, sound, pencil, read pencil. Look, sound, scored, read scored. Look, sound, act, read act. Look, sound, scent, read scent. Look, sound, awful, read awful. Look, sound, lace, read lace. Look, sound, lacy, read lacy. Look, sound, skull, read skull. Look, sound, ah, read ah. Look, sound, fleece, read fleece. Look, sound, fleecy, read fleecy. Look, sound, vault, read vault. Look, sound, checking, read checking. Look, sound, excite, read excite. Look, sound, scales, read scales. Look, sound, launch, read launch. Look, sound, prices, read prices. Look, sound, catch, read catch. Look, sound, scented, read scented. Look, sound, danced, read dancing. And remember, it doesn't say sk, because when a C has an E after it, the C is going to say S. So that would be two S sounds, scented. Excellent. All right, here's our syllables. So the first word is rainbow. Let's snap it, rainbow. And I want you to look to see where you think we should be separating them out. And I will let you know that I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I split it right in between the N and the B. All right, here we go. This word is invented. Snap it, invent. Sorry, not invented, invent. Ready? Invent. So let's see where you think. I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I will split it between the N and the V. Here we go. This one is accept. Snap it, accept. I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I'm going to split it between the X and the C. This one is disconnect. Snap it, disconnect. So I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we'll split the first one right here. And then I also see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I will split it between my two consonants, my two ends. Usually if you see the two of the same letter, you're going to split it between the two letters. Here we go. This one is 13. Here we go. 13. And I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I will split it between the R and the T. Excellent job today. So let's go ahead and write some words. Let me get to the right screen. Here we go. Number 1. We're going to write the word bike. B-I-K. What makes the I say I? A silent E at the end. Number 2. Twice. Twice means 2 times. So we hear a twa. So TW says twa. Well, I know a C, because I know there's an E at the end that makes the I say I, so I'm going to have a C for twice. Number 3, crawl. All. AW says ah. I hear an L at the end. Crawl. And our 4th one for today is shout. So I hear a sh sound. SH says sh. Ow. Remember to OU hit each other and say ow sometimes. Shout. There's a T at the end. All right, excellent job on your phonics for today.